You guys gonna help me, okay?
Sasalti ka na ng saranta.
Yan, after how many years?
2 years.
2 years na hindi paglilinis, ano? Sa wakas, malilinis na rin.
Kawawa.
At masyadong busy, ano? Kasi pandemic. Busy sa kakatulong. Pinakaman maglinis. Kaya, siyempre, unahin natin mga mirror muna, no? Mirrors and from finish, yan. Mga bintana, unahin natin linisin. Backlights and okay, tap natin to. So, ngayon ginagawa natin na pure soap and directly to the sponge. Ayan. Para matapang, ano, concentrated. Mirror first, and then the body, ano. Okay. Now, yan tayo. Hi everyone, today we're gonna replace the brake pads of Kia Sorento, but you know, this could be on any car as well. Let's join me. Put in the wrench, and then at the same time you loosen it up, and the other people will pump the brakes. As you pump the brakes, you loosen this out, and then the fluid will drop in the container. Okay, and then you will check until it clears out. Okay. Stop. Okay, we're gonna bleed the brakes. So she's gonna pump it. Go. Okay, pump. until it clears out. I think it's clear already. Okay. Okay, stop. There you go. And then you fill the reservoir again. For the next tire, for the next wheel. Okay, now
Bend your knees.
same time we're gonna replace the brake pads.
Don't go like this.
You can see.
Okay, don't go like this. Go like this. What do you try?
It's
Yeah.
a little worn out. There's still a little bit more in there, but
Bend your knees.
I think it's the best time to do it now because I'm gonna bleed the brakes and rotate the wheels at the same time. You save time. Okay. So here's the pads. So the front brakes. Yes. Front brakes. Okay. Make sure it's on the right side, on the left side, and there's also the grease. It's a lubricant for the brakes. And this is the left side again. See, this is the inside. So this is the inside for, I think it's for the right side. Yeah, it's for the right side. This for the left side. Yeah, it's for the left side. This for the right side.
Guys, actually playing it or no?
Dito ka, mami.
Ready, position. Run to the ball, Audrey. Don't let the ball go to you. Bend your knees. See, when you run to the ball, you can hit it. And don't go too far away.
This one slides out really easy. Whoa, there it is.
No, you
Yep.
can't. And also hit right here. Hit right
So
here.
you just hang it in here.
Oh, Audrey, you're too far away from Isa.
Hang
You're
it
not that
there.
far away when you're in the court. Go.
Oh, mami, dito ka sa. Yan.
See?
So you here.
You actually hit it good.
Remove that. See, there's still a lot. Remove this. Just came out from that. We compare. Oh, the other way. Check.
How about you throw it here?
Okay, works. Bottom.
Now my turn. Go right there.
They're all the same.
Knock on the door in the neighbor's house.
Oh, they're not all the same. Sorry.
Guys, I'm gonna put your name here.
This.
Just throw it.
write your name
There you go.
Alisa.
Okay.
What?
And the address.
Oh,
And from collection.
this is it. Other one.
Cut what? Aloe vera. Ready for this one? Oh, Mama, please.
No, we're not. We're not coming back.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Malamig ah. Malamig. I am cold. Han? Ako ngayon sa lamin ko dyan sa may counter.
We go back all the way over there.
Ah, there you go.
I just stop.
Suppose in this.
Where you come from?
From nowhere?
From nowhere.
Like that.
Oh!
Hey!
Okay. You have to put a grease first. Okay, basa.
Oh, I thought soon it will be taller than you.
What?
The flower. The flower.
Oh, the chipmunks. Your dad said something in the
Okay, tama. It's in. It's already there. Okay. We gotta push this in. Yeah, we gotta push it. Wait. Okay. So you have to push this inside, so the new one will fit. So as of now, that in, it won't fit. So it's either you clamp this in, push it in. There you go. Okay. It's inside. I think that's what I did. And put the new one in. Put a grease. Here back too. Oh, fits. The screw back in. Where's the wrench? Change the gloves. Other side. Here. Okay. Side. Alright. Sit. Put the wheels back in and you're done. For the first wheel. Okay. Next. Okay, and then you do it on the four wheels. And there we go.
There you go. I got my head out of the sunroof. I'm asking out things too. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the side of you. You're making me feel better. You're more than the sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your hair. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, driving on the freeway at night. And you got one thing in the back of my mind. I think that this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head at the sunroof, and that's enough favorite too. Only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the side of you. You're making me feel better, more than the sunshine in my eyes.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ